In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to contact Xbox support. Go to your browser and search for Xbox support and open this first link. In here, we have to click on this disability answer desk option. And here we can see Xbox support. Under this support, you get here total 3 options to get support from Xbox. You can select this directly chat with us option. We can see get answers to your accessibility support questions, chat with an expert Monday to Friday 2 p.m. to 5:30 a.m. and Saturday and Sunday 2 p.m. to 3 a.m. Just click on launch chat and you will be able to easily get any help from Xbox support team, or you can select general Xbox support, get 24/7 answers and access to resources for general issues with Xbox consoles, games, accounts and more. You can just click on visit Xbox support and it directly jump into Xbox support page. Here we can see the call option, chat online or request a call if available. Just click on contact us to select here a reason why you want to get help from Xbox support. You can select any option from here, and you can also use this virtual agent option. And if I go back to the main page, here you'll get another option to get help ASL. So now go ahead and select any perfect method for get any help from Xbox support. Thanks for watching.